My name is Jim Dickson, and I'm a pro bono voluntary attorney working with the Community Law Program to help spread awareness about being sued in a mortgage foreclosure. Maybe you have just received a foreclosure lawsuit, or you think you're going to receive one shortly. That means that your mortgage company has decided to file a lawsuit in the local courthouse in order for them to start the action to have your house sold to pay off the loan. The foreclosure lawsuit itself will be served to you by a process server. This person will knock on your door and hand you this lawsuit to tell you you've been sued. They won't explain anything about it. They'll just hand you what is usually a fat pack of papers. The process server doesn't have to hand the papers to you personally. He or she can hand it to anyone who lives in the home with you who is over the age of 15. Obviously, you know you have trouble with the mortgage and your mortgage payments. Once you receive these papers, it's time to get organized about how to respond to your lender. They need an official legal response. Picking up the phone and calling them is not a response. At this point, you will probably need to talk with an attorney about what your legal options are and what your official response to this lawsuit is. If you cannot afford an attorney, there may be resources in your community, such as legal aid organizations and lawyer referral services, where you can, at the very least, obtain a free or reduced consultation with an attorney about your options and about how to respond to the complaint. At the end of this video, there will be a list of possible resources in the Tampa Bay area where you can go. Do not take this lightly and be careful. Your house is at risk here. Whether it's a condominium or a single-family house, your home is at risk. If you miss that answer deadline, if you just don't respond, then you'll be in what's called default, and that means that your foreclosure lawsuit will march through the court system on a pre-scheduled time. You may also consider talking to a lawyer about bankruptcy. That's one of the ways to respond to a foreclosure lawsuit. A bankruptcy can be used to reorganize and buy you some time to basically make arrangements to pay the mortgage company the money that's due. There's a payment involved when it comes to bankruptcy, but a reorganization may be just the thing that you need depending on your facts and circumstances. Again, you should not wait until the last second. Time is not on your side. The foreclosure lawsuit and summons will require an official answer from you within 20 days from when you were served the lawsuit papers. Don't wait 19 days and then try to find help. You may remember from the last 10 years that people bragged about being able to gum up the works by filing motions to dismiss, but that was days of old. Banks and lenders are much more organized about foreclosures now, so you need to take this very seriously. You should act quickly if you are going to try to repay the arrearage in full, which can be a large payment because it will include late fees, attorney fees, and other costs, as well as the missed payments. Efforts to adjust, modify, or change your mortgage amount due to financial hardship can be part of a successful resolution of the foreclosure lawsuit, and the earlier you start, the better your chances of saving your house. At the end of a foreclosure is the house being sold by the clerk of court, so you need to take steps now. Don't waste time. Time is not on your side. All right, to recap, you've been served a lawsuit and you need to act now. Deadlines become very important. You can't save your house if you wait too long. You may need bankruptcy. You may need a lawyer. You definitely need help. You need to reach out. You need to act now. The lenders are much better organized, and so you now need to get organized and you need to get help now. Yes, you can lose your house. Don't wait. Act now. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful. One of the ways the community law program fulfills its mission is to educate the general public about legal rights and responsibilities. If you have been sued in foreclosure and you cannot afford to hire an attorney or at least to pay an attorney for a consultation about responding to the foreclosure lawsuit or about filing for bankruptcy, the next screen will list some of the local resources in the Tampa Bay area that may be able to help you. Thank you.